Now in this video, I will show you how to plot UV spectral data in Origin. So before this, just for a short reminder, in my previous video, I had shown that how to convert the UV data first, then followed by the spectral data in Origin software. Now another video in this purpose I am recording. So here you can find that this is a type of dataset is generated in the software where there is no gap in the Y columns. As you had seen that in my previous video, in this type of file, there is a gap in Y columns. But here in this file, there is no gap between the files. So in this type of data sets, the spectral data drawing is very easy. We did not have to convert this data. We just simply can drag this data to origin, then it will be automatically plotted. So I am going forwarding this video to here. Now here this is my UV data. So first open origin. In origin you have to open several window as it is a window of a data sheet. So you have to open menu window. So first click Control N, then new window will be open. So in similar way you have to open menu window. That's why we can easily plot the UV spectra. Okay. So at first go to the datasheet, select the data and drag into this file. Now this is the datasheet. If you select this and plot, you can find this type of graph. Okay. So what I have to do, just delete the data, create a new window, Control N. Here, this would be my final datasheet. So here you have to include several columns. Okay, I have added several columns. Now at first, select this data, copy and paste here. And delete this. Again go to the folder menu, then select the data another, drag into the new page. You can find that this is the data. So for verification purpose, you can see that this is the spectra. Okay, so it is not needed. Only this Y column is value needed. So I am selecting this data from copy and pasting here. Control V. Delete this. Very easy steps. Again here, copy, paste. Again go to the folder menu. You can see that just opens normally. Paste. So if I take just these files, you have to complete all the data, but for this video demo purpose I am not opening all these files. I am just showing how to draw this file, origin spectra. Hence, if you select all the spectra and click on the spectral line, you can see that there is a beautiful graph each opened or is generated. Okay, now you can click here, double click on the line, increase the line width so that this will be beautiful. So in this way you can draw UV origin in another method. Okay, thank you.